Hello guys, what we have today? Syntech Chronos 68 rapid trigger magnetic keyboard with a main function as 0.01 mm of rapid trigger, adjustable actuation point, 8K pulling rate, built-in wrist rest, per key customization and multi-platform application. Let's dive in. Okay guys, if you are a gamer and looking for the high performance gaming mechanical keyboard with magnetic switches and with the option to change actuation point, maybe this is for you. So we have a 68 format, which means we have arrow keys, we have up and down functional keys, we don't have F-row, right? And we have aluminum case. You can choose this keyboard in several colors: white, black, and pink, if I'm not mistaken. You can check it on an official website or Amazon, and you have a different set of keycaps. And keycaps, by the way, it's double shot PBT, but I will show you them a little bit later. My first impression was it's just another 168% mechanical keyboard with magnetic switches, with actuation point, with 8K. But then, I found several interesting moments what maybe would be interesting for you. So let me show you them. So let's start from the package, right? You will have a keyboard by itself. You will have a wrist rest, small but very useful. You will have 4 additional switches, keycap and switch pullers, some brush, and pretty high quality USB-A, USB-C cable, and of course user manual. From the keycaps point of view, as I mentioned, you can have several different options, but I have white. Double shot, you can see that we have upper layer and internal layer, and they are actually shine through, so you can see the RGB light through the keycaps because you have north facing RGB, which is pretty rare nowadays with gaming mechanical keyboards. And you have a transparent Altemo mechanical, or somebody saying it's magnetic, but it's still mechanical, per my opinion, switch. Altemo switch is pretty good, standard, I would say, with a nice sound, with a transparent upper housing and not transparent bottom one, right? And the switch is closed on the bottom side. If you by any reason don't like the switch, you can use Gatron standard magnetic switches. We have a soft pad underneath the switch, and this theoretically should bring some interesting sound to the scene. Let's check this later. We have aluminum switch plate, we have some poron inside, and we have a pretty advanced structure of this keyboard in general. Now, the main feature, obviously, of this keyboard is performance. We have magnetic Hall effect switch technology inside, which is from one side a kind of longer life, less mechanical wear, but from other side the main point is a speed of this keyboard, and this brand claims of 0.776 millisecond latency with 8000 pull rate, which is kind of amazing. It's really great parameter. And you can adjust actuation point from 0.1 mm to 3.5 mm with rapid trigger, with SnapTap, with all this AWS switching functions and other stuff. But let's check how it looks in a driver. From driver point of view, it's interesting, but you have two options. One is iotdriver.qmk.top, and second, you can activate pressing function home qmk.top. You need to download some driver. It's available for Mac and Windows. It's for better communication between web driver and hardware, but in general it's all, as always, pretty standard. You can do remapping of the keys, but obviously the main stuff in stroke settings. You can select needed keys or all of them, right? And then you can change actuation point between 3.5 and 0.1, which is awesome. Also, you have a full quick trigger, which is a rapid trigger, and you can adjust it between 0.01 and 2.00 for better performance in Counter-Strike or Valorant games or any other high-performance games where you need to react as quick as possible for any actions. Also, this keyboard supports many other switches, so you can have a Gatron, you can have Magnetic Jade Pro, Magneto, or this Autemo, what we have today. So it's pretty wide range of compatibility between standard and top performance switches on current day. In advanced settings, you can change all the snap keys, macro, and other standard for the gaming mechanical keyboards options. Also, you can do obviously functions, light, you can have your own account and you can share your settings, or you can use settings of somebody else if you know that they're good. One of the interesting features of this keyboard that you can use it for gaming, obviously because it's a top performance gaming mechanical keyboard, right? But from other side, you can use it for typing as well, and you can switch between different modes just pressing a different combination of keys. As you may see on the top right corner, you have several lights. One is obviously caps lock, and another one which you can activate with function and space. And just check this out, this small light, it indicates this is a typing mode and this is a gaming mode. And you can have several different settings, for example, actuation point, which should be lower for the gaming and a little bit higher for typing, and you can switch easily between them. Also, in the settings, you can change pull rate from 125 to 8K if you worry about performance of your PC, or in this case, we don't have batteries, so it doesn't matter, but just in case you want to change it, you can do this. From the sound and acoustic point of view, we have a Poron and we have IXPE foam inside this keyboard. We have double shot PBT keycaps, we have pretty good switches. So let's check how this keyboard may sound. Okay guys, how about this sound? A little bit creamy, right? But calm, and I would say it will not disturb your family or friends if you will type a lot on this keyboard. So take into account that this is a gaming keyboard with aluminum switch plate in aluminum case, sound pretty interesting. Now, as a general summary, so this is high performance, top performance gaming mechanical keyboard in 68% layout with mechanical Hall effect magnetic switches with a price around 140 bucks. You can check my links in the description for Amazon or for syntechhome.com. It's the same price at the moment of the recording of this video. And I would say it's a little bit on the high end, taking into account that this is a wired keyboard. It's nice. It's really 8K pulling rate with a rapid trigger, with actuation point, with all additional gaming functions, right? But we have a lot of different options out there on the market, and I would prefer a price to be a little bit lower than that. Otherwise, great keyboard. If you're looking for something like that, check this out. If you like this video, don't forget to smash a like button and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.